So we've had quite a year, haven't we? 2020. I think everyone has. So what did we do in 2020? What did we do? Yeah, so this year was really all about my show, which went wonderfully considering the fact that we did it in lockdown. And we still had people safely visit. We did the whole wearing masks and distancing people, and we had people sign up first before they went into the show. And I sold 3 paintings, and that's a huge success. And I got the cloth masks made and my own dress and all the things that I had wanted to do. The one thing I didn't do in time was have my journals at the show, but my journals did eventually get made, so that was another huge success for the year. And the other thing was the teaching online. So I started up doing online painting classes, and that's been going really well. I do one a month, but I think I'd like to do them a bit more frequently, and maybe do a few for YouTube as well, and not just for Patreon. For the new year, for Patreon, there will be some changes and some stuff that I'm keeping. The lowest tier, the Sprout tier, the $2 one, that is going to mostly stay the same, and that I want to keep it mostly to digital stuff, low maintenance things for me. I mean, it's low maintenance, but it actually encompasses all of the work that I'm doing and puts it in a form that you guys can enjoy. And so that would be the recorded painting classes, my desktop wallpapers, the coloring pages that I'm doing. And what I'd like to offer now is that all patrons can enjoy joining my painting classes live, because I actually found that it's really hard for me to get lots of people to come to the painting classes, because a lot of people just don't know that I'm doing it. So I think making it available to more patrons is probably better, and to occasionally have it open on Twitch. And Twitch is the live streaming platform that I use when I live stream my artwork, so that other people can watch live. And then the middle tier, which is the SAPLING tier, that's right, is going to change a little bit. The price will stay the same, and I will be doing a single mail out per month for every patron. I will be mailing you one thing a month, and it'll either be one sticker, like a large sticker, or a mini print, or something that I can easily send in the mail with no postage fee. And then in addition to that, you still get everything that the lower tier gets, the $2 one. And then I'm gonna change the highest tier, the tree tier, because I have had no interest in it so far, which is fine. It just means that I need to rethink how I want to offer different levels of value. And I think one thing people have been missing was when I used to do the sticker club with my friend Sarah. We used to do the sticky ink sticker club, and we would mail out 3 stickers or more per month to different users. And it would be a changing theme every month. And I think I'm finally ready to get that back started again. And a lot of things contributed to that. My sticker cutting machine, the vinyl cutter machine, the Cricut that I'm using, is finally cooperating after hours and hours of wrestling with it. I found good suppliers for sticker paper, and I have a good shop set up again that doesn't cost as much as the old one did. So things are kind of just lining up now that I'm finally feeling ready to do the monthly sticker thing again. And I think for the top tier, I'm gonna reduce the price. And I think for that one, I'm gonna do the monthly sticker pack, which is gonna be based mostly on the planner material. So that if you're following along with the planner, then every month I'm gonna do my best to get them out on time. And every month I'll have themed stickers so that you have them ready for the next month to do your planning with. And there will be 3 sheets every month. So yeah, those are the changes, and I'm super excited to have you guys along with me on this wild and crazy ride of the freelance art biz. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm learning every day, and you guys really help me and give me ideas, and I really appreciate the feedback that I've been getting from you guys as far as what you think of the classes I'm doing and the downloads and stuff and ideas that you have. I really appreciate everything that you guys tell me, and I take it to heart. So I really am very grateful for you guys. And yeah, I think that's about it. Here's to a good 2021, and I can't wait to see what we make together. Thank you so much. It's not done yet, but it's getting there. My kitchen is a disaster, but at least the machine has a home with its own table, and the mats are hanging up, and the paper is nearby, and my printer is right next to it, so improvements.